So today, I really kind of wanted to dive deep into the power of networking. So the way that I kind of view networking is making friends that have good friends. Now that I'm telling you this, I'm actually starting to rethink my life. Like, I do have friends, but my goal and my future is being a storyteller and creator and changing other people's lives through visual creativity or maybe through films, if that's what I should call it. With that being said, I've actually kind of thought of who is my friend in that kind of space or that kind of industry. And now that I'm actually thinking about it, I have none. I've built exactly zero connections with creators. And now that I'm also thinking about it, I don't know how. I don't know how to make friends on the internet, but I should make friends with creators. That is a Wi-Fi router. This is my phone. So nothing's stopping me from making internet friends. Not just internet friends, but good, life-changing internet friends. I really underestimated how hard making internet friends would be, especially in this day and age where everywhere you turn in social media, it's just people chasing numbers and chasing clicks. So it's very hard to build relationships with people like that. I really love to build much deeper friendships and much deeper relationships than build relationships because maybe I see that as an opportunity for me to get to somewhere in the future. I would love to build sustainable relationships, like long-lasting relationships where when I'm feeling down, just tell my friend that this is how I am feeling. While it all sounds sweet and kind of nice to make creator internet friends, there's also something like I've been asking myself, and it's really been disturbing me. And that question is, how much of a good friend am I? I don't know the answer to that because I haven't really thought of it in that kind of way. Like, I haven't been present to notice if I am a good or bad friend, because in this day and age where there's so much noise, we just tend to not really feel connected to some kind of things. So don't aim to make more friends. Instead, aim to maintain this kind of friendships that you have and build them and make them much healthier. So don't aim to have 10 friends. It's better to have one friend, one good friend, than to have 10 bad friends. So yeah, that is the kind of advice I really wanted to give you. So yeah, I think I will see you in the next one. Peace out.